因为全球暖化关系，气候反常，即马真侪所在热天是热翕，高温拢创下新高，所以英国的皮肤科医生即马就提醒民众，大日头要出门，即马一定爱做好防止晒日头的工课。
受极端气候影响，各国高温纪录一直创新高，常常伫紫外线下海人会增加得到皮肤癌的风险。影响皮肤的主要紫外线类型包含 UVA 甲 UVB， 这两种拢会对皮肤造成损伤，而且致使皮肤癌。
What happens is it comes in and it's directly DNA mutagenic. So it goes into where the nucleus is of the skin cell, and it goes directly into the nucleus, directly into the DNA, and damages it. And our bodies are very clever because we can repair that damage, but repeated exposure and repeated damage will continue to cause these mutations. And when there's enough mutation within a cell, then that becomes a skin cancer.
根据英国皮肤科医术协会调查显示，在2021年，英国至少40派民众捌晒伤。网络市调甲数据公司也公布调查，18到34岁有56派人捌晒伤。皮肤科医师也警告，唔通袂记哩抹防晒膏，虽然防晒的系数愈悬，配方就愈有效，不过并是针对所有紫外线。
It's not about 30 is in the sunshine for 30 minutes or 50 is in the sunshine for 50 minutes, or it means you can be in the sun 30 times longer or 50 times longer. That is not true. The score is really made up based on the minimal erythema dose.
根据皮肤科医师的讲法，抹伫面身躯的防晒膏会伫皮肤加做一层防护膜，会用阻隔紫外线搁进一步渗透到皮肤内底。这层防护膜会吸收日头热量，其实真细。不过各国对防晒产品的规定也无同，选择这产品的时阵也要加注意。公司新闻深入批评。